decoration for the Moon Festival. Who's outside my window? You're right. It's Homo the monkey. I'm so excited. Me too, Homo's excited because tonight is the Moon Festival. The Moon Festival! The Moon Festival! Homo's always been too little to stay up for the Moon Festival. I'll show you, Homo. Mr. Sun goes down and it gets dark. Then all our family and friends will come over.
什么呀？什么呀？说个嘞。
The Moon Festival is a lantern parade. What's everyone holding, Kylan? Lanterns. They're lights that everyone carries, and ours are shaped like animals. We take our lanterns to the top of the hill to see the moon and eat yummy pancakes for dessert. And then there's my favorite part of the Moon Festival, when you get to ask the moon for a wish. I get to see the moon and make a wish on it.
Ôi,
Wow!
nhắm chiều chỗ đi ạ.